In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted Snapchat account even after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your Snapchat account and 30 days have passed, then it means that that Snapchat account is now permanently deleted. So in order to recover that sort of account, you need to open your internet browser. Click on the search bar and in the search bar type snapchat.com/support. Click on search. Scroll down and click on this contact us option. Click on the second option, I cannot access my account, and then select I think my account was compromised. Scroll down. Now you need to fill out this form. So first enter your Snapchat username, then enter the email address that was linked with your Snapchat account. After that, you need to enter the mobile number that was linked with your Snapchat account. And then in this final description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I am writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. Once you have stated down your issue, all you have to do is to click on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your deleted Snapchat account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.